Also, Ashish, I want to bring the topic of 300 movie.
Since we are
Right.
talking about democracy.
Yeah,
Okay.
so 300 movie, I think Leonidas, he just died while fighting, right? While fighting with the one, Xerxes.
Xerxes.
Yeah,
you
I
remember the
always
name.
have problem. Yeah, Xerxes. And like he died and he was very sentimental, I think. He was very emotional. But at the same time, Themistocles.
Themistocles, yes.
Yeah, Themistocles, he
Perfect.
just, yeah. I told you my memory is sharp.
And she's like, let me tell you something about Komal. She does not like blood in any movie. It will make her sad. And 302 parts did make her sad for at least a week. Okay. But she loved that movie. The idea of that. Okay, go ahead. You remember the name? I'm very proud of you. Go ahead. Do you remember the name of the wife of Leonidas?
Wait, something with G?
Comment it down below, guys, if you're watching on YouTube, because I also don't remember.
G, something with G. Gary.
Okay, you can go ahead about
Okay.
300. What were you talking about? Yeah, he died
Yeah,
fighting for democracy.
and Themistocles,
He lived.
he lived. He was like he killed Darius,
Yeah, he killed.
father of Xerxes.
Yes, wow, I
Right.
also forgot about that name.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Darius.
Darius, and then he also killed the one. What was the
That
name
lady.
of that girl? Like
Yeah.
the navy head
Yes.
of Xerxes' team.
I
I'm just
forgot.
remembering her name. What was the name of that girl?
I forgot her name. I
Okay.
don't think that we'll be able to remember. Meanwhile,
Yeah.
I'm going to find out. Okay.
Okay. Like he killed that. I think he was so intelligent,
Yeah.
The war, he was having very less team and they were having so many ships, right? And then they conquered them, right?
Yeah.
The one with having more ships.
Yeah.
And they conquered them, and he was so brilliant. I think he also had sentiments, but he played with mind too.
He was also very patriotic.
Yeah.
Very, very close to, actually, he was very tied or married to the idea of democracy.
Yeah.
Democracy, the idea how it started, if you
Yeah.
watch that movie or those two movies very properly, the idea of freedom actually started from there. So as long as they are kings, you are not really free. You are under that king, kind of like you are employees
Yeah.
of that king.
Yeah.
But democracy, what it says, that there's no one who is going to be king. It is not going to be like the son of the king is going to be king again, or the son of the president is going to become a president again. When that comes, end of democracy. All right. When that is happening, that is something that might happen in North Korea.
Yeah.
Okay. So the idea was everyone is free. You are having the freedom. You do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
You fight if you want to fight. And that is what Themistocles said to his army at the end also, because they were revolting. So it is Spartans is like different level of animal. They are all warriors. They are going to die. They are going to fight. But when it came to Athenians, they were not all warriors. They were like potters and painters turned into warriors because it was a very good source of employment.
Yeah.
So they were all like, we can't do this. You have already killed more than half of us and we are walking away. And that is what Themistocles said, that listen, if you want to walk away, you can walk away. You are still free men.
Yeah.
And that is the idea that when they were Persians were sending their army, that you are slaves basically. You are working because you are afraid of the leash. But you are fighting because you are afraid of losing your freedom. That was shown over there.
Yeah.
Right? So those people really fought and died for the idea of democracy. And like I said, after that incident happened, after hundreds of years later, Salah came and again democracy was destroyed. And again it was captured again and again destroyed. And it happened in a lot of sinusoidal fashion.
Yeah.
And then ultimately it got stable.
Yeah.
And then other countries also started to adapt it one by one, right?
Yeah. By the way, what was the name of that girl? The navy head of Xerxes.
Okay, you speak for 1 minute, I'll find it out.
I just forgot the name of that girl, right? So basically, Ashish, when you're doing such brave things, Leonidas also had doubt for a moment.
Yeah,
Right.
that is very important.
Yeah,
Last scene, no?
last scene when he was about to die, right? When he was about to get attacked by Xerxes, Xerxes asked that, okay, you just say that you are defeated and you just
Kneel down.
kneel down, put your knees in front of me. I'll just say, okay, fine,
Yeah.
everything will be fine to me now.
And
Then,
actually, Xerxes was not that much willing to kill Leonidas than he was to see Leonidas kneel, because
Kneel,
that would
exactly.
satisfy his ego, that
Exactly.
you accepted your defeat.
Yeah.
And that was the thing about the Spartans, that even if you die, you are dying free. But if
Yeah.
you submit, you're not free anymore.
Exactly.
That was their idea.
Yeah, but at that moment he had doubt, right?
Yeah.
He just took out everything.
He
his
took out his
crown,
helmet, he
and
took out he put down his shield,
sword.
his spear,
Yeah.
and he kneeled. And then he was reminded about his wife.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And then he thought that what was the ideas, and then he shouted out, and
Yeah.
by the way, the girl, her name is Artemisia.
Oh,
I found
yeah,
it out.
yeah.
Okay. So I'm pretty sure that at least 100 people listening to this banging their head, Artemisia. That is why I want these things to be
Yeah.
live. All right.
Okay, let's do it once live.
Once we start reaching 5,000 views on every YouTube video, we are going to start doing live.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Because we are going to need a lot of extra accessories also. All
Okay.
right. For that, we need to invest, son. You better
Yeah.
make this podcast good. Share it, guys, and go and rate us on Apple Podcast. Follow us on Spotify. Do all the good that you can do for us. We'll be really grateful.
Yeah, we're also thinking to do our podcast on a holiday.
Yeah, other than this place,
Yes.
we are going to take these mics up